Hey guys, just a quick update before we get to the end of the week. Just to make sure that you guys don't miss anything. Um, we're focusing on Chapter 11 this week. And let's get your final drafts in. Be sure to incorporate any feedback you received either from me or from your fellow students. Um, and be sure to look at course evaluation also, so we can know what changes to make, if any. Um, and that's that for this week. Keep in mind, next week is obviously finals week, and your final in test out needs to be taken by Friday night. So you have until Friday to take the final in test out, and that's that for the class. Also, um, keep in mind, um, you have until the end of this week, I believe, to take that extra credit certification exam. So that should be open to all of you. No matter how well you do, it'll be 20 points extra credit, even if you get everything wrong. 20 points extra credit, so you can't beat that. And then if you do pass, we do have a few students pass each semester. You get a 100% for the course. So no reason not to take it. So take that opportunity if you haven't taken it yet. Go into test out, go to the certifications tab, scroll down to the switching certification exam, and take it. And then we'll get your extra credit added. Thanks, guys. Also, if you have any missing grades or any late work that you want to hurry and finish, please email me, and we'll get that figured out before the end of this week, so we can have that done. And have a good week, guys.